The forthcoming event that will be happening on the 24th of this month in the New African Shrine is called Eshu is not Satan. But I wish to make a few clarifications and, if you like, corrections. When you are arguing that Eshu is not Satan, it is true that you can't avoid talking about the contribution of Ajayi Crowther to that misunderstanding of Eshu as Satan. But you must do that from an informed place, not from a place of ignorance. Do not say, for example, that Ajayi Crowther translated Eshu as Satan in the Bible. That is very inaccurate, and you don't even have to be well read to know that. You just have to read the Yorùbá Bible. Satan is never translated as Eshu in the Bible. What you will find in the Bible is the transliteration Satani. However, this is not to say that the word Eshu is not found in the Bible. Eshu is mentioned in the Bible and in Ajayi Crowther's Dictionary of Yorùbá Vocabulary as translation for the devil. This particular translation over the years is the one that has given birth to many controversies, which has made some of us to conclude that translation error was premeditated and in fact intentional. But after reading this article by Dr. Tunde Adegbola, have been persuaded otherwise. I enjoin you to read it too. It is very informative. So when you come for the Eshu is not Satan campaign on the 24th of this month, December, you are not coming to criticize Ajayi Crowther. That cannot be the focus. You are also not coming to cast aspersions on other religions. That is very contrary to Yoruba spirituality. You are simply coming to be enlightened, to learn, unlearn, and participate in what I like to call sacred entertainment. You are also coming to grab beautiful items like these as souvenirs. They are very functional, cute, and affordable. I will personally deliver them to you. And I also will be giving out these 5 beautiful shirts to 5 different people as my spirit leads. I look forward to seeing you all very soon. Ẹ̀yin mọ̀lẹ́bí mi, wá ṣeré.